Hi, welcome to day 9 of the How to Attract Anything challenge. Today we are going to up the ante of gratitude. Doing gratitude is more towards your connection with the universe. But when we start to distribute that in the world, it takes our energy to the next level. So, what are we discussing today? Appreciating others. Become very generous with your compliments. You see, when a good thought comes to you about someone, give that good thought as a gift to that person. So you see someone walk in and you love their purse, let them know how gorgeous their purse is. If someone has helped you with something, send them a handwritten thank you note. Make phone calls to people that you've been missing in your life and appreciate them for the role that they play in your life. If every single day you start to appreciate others, what it will do is it will start to create a flow. Then all of that appreciation, not from the same person, but from other people, will start to come back to you. This law of the spiritual world is that whatever you want more of, do more of. You want more love, give more love. You want more respect, give more respect. You want more appreciation and acknowledgement, something that most of our soul desires, then give more of that to the world. That will really build your vibe. So a lot of us sometimes think it's so fake, Pooja. No, you don't have to be ingenuine. If you think that purse is crappy and you're giving them a compliment on it, that's just wrong. I'm speaking about only when you feel like it. The thing is, how often do you feel like appreciating others? Most of the time we keep the spotlight on ourselves. We want everyone to notice us when we go into a party, that we totally forget to notice others. But the beauty is that when you compliment others, the first thing they want to do is turn the spotlight back on you. So you say something nice to someone, the most chances are that they will give you a reply by giving you a compliment too. So start to build more of this positive in the world and you will start to notice it will be very different. The whole journey will change, the whole vibe will change. When you want to attract something in your life, become that person who appreciates others and learns to receive compliments well. A lot of us, you know what we do when we get a compliment? No, it's a black, it's the light. No, today I got my hair done at the parlor. We actually negate it. No, learn to receive. When someone gives me a compliment, I always like to open arms, receive it in a beautiful manner. That's also a gift you're giving to the other person because the other person wants you to believe it. So when we say no, we are actually saying you don't know what you're saying. Why say that to someone? They're just trying to be nice. Take it in, breathe it in, and let a lot of compliments come into your body so that you get filled as a well. The more filled you are, the more you will give other people compliments. So today you're going to write out 3 people's name in the comments below who you are going to call and appreciate. Start with 3 today and then you can do 1 every day. So 3 people today, who are the 3 people you're going to appreciate? Really think of at least one person that you haven't connected over the last 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, someone where you can go back in time with, and 2 people who are maybe in your environment. That's always nice to reconnect with a teacher or reconnect with someone that you've been feeling grateful or gratitude towards, but you haven't expressed it.